Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Hey, first grade, welcome to math.
That's right. We've been having an awesome time this week creating and solving word problems.
That's right, and it goes right along with our target. I can determine which operation to use and solve. Because, Miss Lestico, when we're reading a word problem, it doesn't say add these two numbers together or subtract these two numbers together. We have to figure that out.
That's right. And there's a lot of keywords that we've learned about that help us decide which operation, addition, or subtraction we're supposed to be using.
That's right. And we have some friends, Miss Lestico, that want to help us this morning with our word problems.
Oh, I love that.
Oh no, Moby. It's our turn to make sandwiches for the soccer team. We totally forgot. Cool. There are 8 players and each one gets a sandwich. That's 8 sandwiches. Each sandwich needs 2 slices of bread. How many slices do we need altogether? To solve any problem, first you have to understand it. How can you understand a word problem? Try repeating the problem in your own words to help you understand. Right, Moby. We want to know how many slices of bread are needed to make 8 sandwiches. You may want to underline or circle important information in the problem and underline the question. Look for key words that give clues about which operation to use, like addition or subtraction. The next step is to make a plan. How do you plan to solve a word problem? A strategy is a plan for solving a problem or reaching a goal. You can use one strategy or a few different ones. You can draw pictures, or you can use models or counters. You can even act out the problem. You can also make a table or chart, or write a number sentence to help you solve. As long as you solve the problem correctly, you can use whatever strategy you want. Find the one that works best for you. After you plan your strategy, you try it out. I'm going to draw pictures. Let's see. There are 8 players, and each gets 2 slices of bread. Now I count up all the slices. We need 15 slices of bread. How can you make sure you solved the problem? After you solve, look back at the question to make sure you answered it. We wanted to know how many slices of bread we need to make 8 sandwiches. I think we need 15 slices. You're right, Moby. You should always check your work. Hey, I made a mistake in my drawing. That's okay, Moby. Mistakes happen. That's why you need to check over your work. We need 16 slices of bread. This loaf costs $3. I'm paying with a $5 bill. How much change should I get back? First, understand the problem. I need to know how much money I should get back. Second, make a plan to solve. I'm going to use mental math as my strategy. I have a $5 bill, which is equal to 5 $1 bills. The bread costs $3. That means I should get $2 back. Now I need to check my work. I can write a number sentence to check. $5 minus $3 is equal to $2. come across a word problem, just follow these steps. First, understand the problem. Next, make a plan to solve it. Then, solve the problem. Finally, check your work. If your plan doesn't work, that's okay. You can just make another plan to solve the problem. Moby, we better make these sandwiches. What kind did you make? Mayonnaise, raisins, and cardboard?
Wow, Miss Lestico, my brain popped.
That's right. Annie and Moby really helped remind me of everything we've learned this week for our operations connections.
Miss Lestico, I think we should practice again.
That's right. I see one of my favorite places on the board.
Target. Oh my
Target.
goodness. Well, Miss Lestico, we had some friends go to Target and they need our help if they have enough money or need more money.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and read our first problem. It says, Miss Jones wants to buy toys, a towel, and some pants at Target. How much money will she need? Well, I see that keyword and in there, and I know that she didn't start with any money, so nothing's being taken away. It looks like I'm going to need to add all of those different items together to see how much will she spend. So I know Miss Jones wants to buy toys and a towel, that's $5, and some pants, that's $8. And I'm just going to add all of these numbers together. So let's see, I'm going to start with the towel, which is $5, and add that to $7 and add that to $8. Well, when I'm trying to solve this, I don't really see any double stacks or any tens. But I do see an almost double stacks. 8 and 7 is really close to 8 plus 8, which is 16. And if I take one away, well, that's 15. And 15 plus 5, I noticed that would just be like counting by fives. And so 10, 15, 20. So Miss Jones would have spent $20 at Target.
Wow, good job, Miss Lestico.
Thanks, Miss Lime.
Okay, well, Miss Gaines also went to Target, and Miss Gaines had $19. She buys a shirt and shorts. Does she have enough money to buy a jacket? Well, let's see. She starts with $19, okay? And then it says she bought a shirt and shorts. Well, if she bought them, she doesn't have that money anymore. So I need to subtract that. So let's see. She bought a shirt. That was $9. So I'm going to minus $9. And I can see right here, 19 minus 9. This number has 1 10 and 9 ones. And this number has 9 ones. I'm just taking my ones away. So I'm going to be left with 1 10. So 19 minus 9 would be 10. Okay, so now she has $10. Oh, and she also bought some shorts. And the shorts are right here for $4. So now I'm going to subtract $4. So $10 minus $4. If I don't know that, I can just count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So Miss Gaines has $6 left. Oh, but I'm not done yet, Miss Lestico. It doesn't ask me how much money does she have left. It says, does she have enough money to buy a jacket? So Miss Gaines has $6, and if I look, a jacket is $5. Miss Gaines, you do have enough money to buy a jacket.
Well, we have one box left. It says, think of a new word problem and solve. Well, Miss Lime, I know I have problems going through my head all the time when I go to Target trying to figure out what to buy and how much money I have. And, well, I also know Miss Davidson likes to go to Target a lot.
Oh, she does.
So we can pick our who as Miss Davidson.
Okay.
And, well, now we need to figure out what she needs.
Oh, well, it's almost summer, and I know that Miss Davidson loves going to the pool, so maybe she needs a towel?
Oh, and maybe some new flip-flops or some shoes.
Oh, okay.
Well, I wonder how much money Miss Davidson would need to get a towel and shoes at Target.
Oh, could that be our problem?
Oh, okay.
We could say Miss Davidson goes to Target and buys a towel and shoes, how much money does she need?
Well, that sounds like a great problem. Let's solve it. Okay, so Miss Davidson went to Target. She needs a towel. That's going to be $5 and shoes. So we're going to add together the amount of her shoes. And then we want to know how much money is she going to spend? Well, 5 plus 7, I can count up using the greatest number. So we start at 7, we go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So she would need $12 in order to get her shoes and her towel. It's your turn.
On Seesaw, you are going to have your Operations Connections summative assessment. That just means you're going to answer some word problems like you've been doing all week. We gave you new prices for a baseball concession stand, and your job is to listen to each problem and solve it. And then guess what? At the bottom, you get to make up your own word problem. You can record yourself saying it or write it out. Just make sure you solve.
Wow, I can't wait to see all of the word problems that you get to create. And of course, so we can see them, click that green check mark in the corner. Good luck!